Artinii Cinema Player. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to download the player, log in, manage your films, and start your screenings, step by step. To get started, download our Cinema Player. It's available for both macOS and Windows. Simply visit the App Store or our website and install the player. When you open the player for the first time, select your preferred application language. Then log in using the same credentials as your Artinii exhibitor account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, you'll see your film library. Here you can see the films you have purchased or sent by the distributor. To download a film, click the arrow under its poster. The download will start automatically. Larger files may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. Each film card has a quick actions menu. Click the three dots to open it. Here you can choose play, which starts the film immediately. Also, you can choose the test film's playback, which will perform a technical test to ensure the film plays correctly. Before each live screening, we recommend testing the film with all projection equipment at least 24 hours in advance. Add to Playlists button adds the selected film to a playlist for grouped playback. Remove from Drive option deletes the film file from your local storage. Show Film Details opens a detailed page with all metadata about the film. On the left side, you'll find the main navigation panel. This is your central hub for all player functions. Add Local Media will import and manage your own unprotected local video files. Create Media Group means organizing multiple films into curated thematic or event-based collections. Downloads. Manage and monitor your active downloads, check their status, and access advanced settings. Playlists. View, create, and edit custom playlists of films. Settings. Configure application preferences, account details, and playback behavior. Prepare screening. Clicking on this feature, a player window will appear, which you can then set up on your projection screen to launch a cinema-like screening session. Please note, for this feature to work properly, you need to use the extended screen option on your device. Test order/delivery. In this section, you can obtain a test film file to verify that your settings work correctly with DRM protected media. The test file is free of charge. Media security info displays key information about your media security setup, including DRM configuration, device security level, and HDCP status. If any requirement is not met, you'll be notified here along with guidance on how to resolve it. And by feedback and help, you can contact support in case of problems with the player or share feedback and suggestions for improvement about the app. Click any film to open its detail view. This section shows your order information, screening location, number of licenses, and audio or subtitle language. The sidebar gives you complete control. You can see download status, file size, remaining licenses, and license validity. License validity indicates how long the license remains active and the film can be played. You can also play film, test film's playback, add to playlists, remove film from disk, deletes the local copy of the film but keeps the license intact. Configure subtitles, select or add subtitle tracks if available. You can also set the display of subtitles for the film here. Advanced options. Adjust film display size, scale film to fit your projection needs. File properties. Shows technical details of the film file. Refresh license. Manually renew the DRM license if playback issues occur. When you're ready to screen, keep the library window open on your desktop. That's your control environment. The second window that appears is for your audience. Drag it to your projector screen and use Expand Screen for full quality projection. If you want to play additional videos before or after your film, use the playlist feature. You can drag and reorder items in any sequence you prefer and click Start Playlist to begin the screening. Click on Settings to view and configure the player's preferences. Here you can adjust the user interface. You can change language, library layout, sorting. Downloads and Sync serves to manage synchronization intervals. Storage locations. In the playback settings, you can configure playback behavior as keyboard shortcuts, subtitles, or background of playback window. Local media. Configure engine used to play your media files and their look in the library. Artinii account and access. Here you can manage your user profile and log out. In Help and Diagnostics, you can find troubleshooting tools such as the option to contact support, check for updates, generate diagnostics, and more. Use the control bar to manage your screening. You can start or pause playback, stop, move forward or backward, skip to next or previous, enter full screen, change subtitles or tracks, repeat playlists, and adjust the volume. That's it. You've learned how to use Artinii Cinema Player. From downloading films to screening them securely, everything is designed to make your screening simple, fast, and reliable. Artinii Cinema Player, bringing films safely to every screen in the world.